people, how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. God bless you all. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new on the channel, please do me a favor by subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. To my old subscribers, I said much love to you all. God bless you all for the love you guys have been showing me. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. My people, Tori do Yamutu. Tori Yamutu. Yeah, I just want to put this topic to the message in a way whereby the person when I talk to make your wife no know say na here they talk to am. You know, I go zazana, go somehow because now what I see now they talk. I don't go they carry forge. Now what me see now they yarn for my platform. Okay, guys. Today na Pidgin English I want in Ghana because most of our Nigerian men where they say they like cheating. That's why I want to use Pidgin English in Ghana for some of them, make them know. Okay? Because it's not really good make man they cheat too much. If man they cheat, it's not good. That's why most of all those men, if you carry their life, you balance and you check on. Instead of them supposed to they go straight forward, they go backward. Tomorrow they will say the woman are badded. Me when they be badded to their own self. Innocent woman go their house. Una go they carry una bola, they find waiting not find una. If you they go out to woman where be say you see say the woman now what you expect not be you see leave her. Or because even though the woman don't buy for you, maybe don't buy for you, manage what you see for there. Manage her. Because I know say some women once they ever born self that place na storyteller. I don't want to go there. So but oga you go manage na manage manage. So it get what I want to hear. What I really see what I not like for some men. It get this man where be say I know one. I know one. I know one. So he and his wife they never marry. They just also say get belle for me. I born. Two of he and the wife they Nigeria before the woman come enter. As the woman enter, the woman come there another Europe, but no, he come there another side for the Europe side. I say another Europe. I not feel laugh. He come there another country. So the man cause there another country. They don't want to make sure the country name they're not quick code. You don't understand. Before they'll say don't go in and guard their ass. Make a yours in yana like that for them so that una go understand where me they go. So as the man come, the woman there in your country, he come when he traveled, he leave the man for house. He come there in you. So the man come see enter road, he come try cross enter this country when people say I did so. After some after some years, like 1 year, 2 years, he and his wife come settle. He and his baby mama they come settle back. When they settle back, now the woman say, okay, come the place where me they stay, the country where me they. We will call live life for there. Since things now they go well for you for this that your country where you they come here. Now what the things go they well. My people, where the man really go, in life change, he transform when they stay with the woman. Everywhere is stew for her. You can't oof, you can't as in everywhere is stew. So the man he can't come back to the country when he did. He can't do one or two things. So as he can't do one or two things, I can't go pay a visit. I can't go pay somebody visit. Not being here, I go pay visit. Sorry, I go pay one of my girlfriend visit. I just go there, go do something. Now I just branch. Now I can't just make a holler them. For there, I said this man they make call. Oh, they call so. If they call a mosquito, one girlfriend when he be saying see. If they call her, he go there or call with her. Oh, and only God know when they end their call. He go talk to the girl. In that, they spend time with your young woman, your baby mama for a call. Woman will be say, don't help her, life don't they good now. They spend call with them because you travel, come this country, can't do it, something when you want to. No be only call they pay me. You see, send that money. You send the girl money. Because some men, if people say they want to see shit, they're not going to say, okay, I want to send the woman money. You're supposed to that money when you send and that money when you say your wife people give and take. Me you take can't do what you want to. You can't see some men why they don't get conscience. Why they don't get conscience? Now make some girls they really they use them. Some girls go they shit on them. Some girls go they do all rubbish for their head because some men they don't deserve respect. They don't deserve to be to honor where they will say yes, woman go be 100% go honor this man because their character is very smelly. It's not really good. He go say now money. He go say now you are marry and they come as next year. People wey they never ever give you, you don't they talk. Don't say you don't get document, but you don't they promise the woman say you'll come next year, you'll come do a marriage. Me not worry. Let me ask her. This thing what you they do so? What if your wife come no? You say you no. You not go. Not be saying you want marry the girl. Can't they lie? Not be you want marry the girl. You they from Europe they send girl wait they Nigeria money. That one not be stupidness. Not be mumu something. I demand they do so. My people, if this thing where this man really do. It's good. Me on a comment below. May person know. Because some men they are so annoying for what they are doing. Wait, for what they do, they do the main person they verse. If this woman gets to know now, he can't do something shit. They'll say Europe women not good though. Europe women not good though. He and the wife they say something go has. The man now, he can't begin. They call the woman for us. Say if they say something come on, go take your own for himself. Can you imagine? For what you not suffer for. Now this one they talk. I always they say this thing. Some women for Europe una not get sense. Many of una not get sense. Una get 5 cents. Una go spend that for man. Where the man go respect una? Where the man not go use the money go for another okbo? Eh? They not say woman not they help man. Help man for something when it be say get head. Eh? You have to support man, but not too much. Not the two they spend money for man. You carry man go out, go buy and wears. Make sure say now you sweat, now you take buy wears for your body. Because some girls now they put their self for this see finish. I call it see finish. Now they put their self. Because if you respect yourself well, you care your way as your own way as a wife. Man not go see this rubbish. For real time, so you know good. Oh guys, if you get to see this video, you know say that you are the turtle. You know say that you are the turtle. Now make me use pidgin English. I know what make your wife know. Because I've already put her in a way where you say yes, it really happen well. Your wife will understand, say yes, not truth. Change for what you do, no good. And you know, change, remove hand. It's not good. You know, it's not going to help you. If you don't want to marry the woman, leave her. Leave her. Maybe like this your character and I made the woman run leave you for Nigeria. Because some people they are mad, but they run up at her. If woman come out for husband, now don't know what make can come out. Okay, the 12 now don't come back now you they misbehave. Maybe now what you first do. Or God change if you see this my video. Because you get my YouTube name. If you come see this video, now me talking change. It's not good. Like it to say not be a smart self, I will call your wife. But change. You have to change. It's very, very bad and so annoying. All those kind of people, they go out with your husband. They go spoil the man. They go spoil the man, say, oh God, no, you not see me now. There's another side chico. Not be even side chico you get in Nigeria day. You just mumu for no reason. That one a mumu so. Oh God, change oh. All those kind of people are not it's not good make it even take close to somebody. No, it's not really good. It's so annoying. Which kind of shitting be all those ones? If not don't go that got different or finish. Una future don't they turn upside down. Una they call the innocent wife badet and now una be the bad. Now you use your hand draw the badet when you tie your neck, when you wrap your neck. Eh? Una those men will be say una go lado the let una they drop from one place. Una you they find what not found una go dagger up but we be say you don't get sickness tire. Una come dagger now say na flesh to flesh na in the sweet pass. Una not go use the rubber. Una go give innocent to my way be say it's to that respect itself. If you package yourself as full ass wife, una go give her what she not supposed to get. You have to stop. Those men where they cause those nonsense. Just I call it nuisance. You guys have to stop it. What is they shitting? As you dey go out to the woman, maybe you see that place na river, leave am. Person when he gets what I want call her, I'm married of I don't know what I want call her. When he be say he go fit enter, he go come, he go marry her later. If you be say as you enter, you dey swim inside. Oga comot. No dey because of the money you dey enjoy, you come dey like dey sick back for there. Then you dey destroy the woman money, you dey shop am. Till they carry another okpo miniki for outside. Oga leave am. I rest my case here. Guys, please subscribe, like, comment, okay? Share this video, make it go viral. Because some men, they are so annoying.